Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello. This is Roshonda with the Isom agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group here in the Sunshine State of Florida, welcoming you back to another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance market update. Today is Wednesday, December 31st, 2025, hump day. And it is also New Year's Eve, that reflective day when people are thinking about what worked, what didn't, and what they swear they're going to do differently next year. This is also the day when people make resolutions. Some are realistic, some last about a week, and some, especially insurance resolutions, get pushed to the bottom of the list year after year. So today's episode is about insurance resolutions every Florida family should make for 2026. These are not extreme goals. These are practical decisions that reduce stress, prevent surprises, and protect your finances when life happens. And we're not just talking about home insurance. We're also talking about auto, umbrella, and life insurance, because real protection only works when everything fits together. Most people do not think about insurance until something goes wrong. That is human nature. But here is what I see every day. The biggest insurance problems rarely come from storms or accidents alone. They come from assumptions. Assumptions like, I thought I had more coverage, or I didn't realize that wasn't included, or I've had this policy forever, nothing changed. Those assumptions are what turn normal claims into stressful, emotional situations. Insurance resolutions matter because they replace assumptions with clarity. And clarity is what makes insurance actually work when you need it. This is the foundation resolution. Most families do not review insurance, they renew it, they look at the premium, they shake their head, and move on with life. But policies do not exist in isolation. Your auto policy affects your umbrella. Your home policy affects your liability exposure. Your life insurance affects your family's ability to survive financially. When we worked with a Florida family who had great home insurance limits but minimum auto liability limits, one serious auto accident related resulted in injuries that exceeded their auto policy. They had assets to protect but no umbrella policy. What should have been a manageable claim turned into a financial nightmare. In 2026, the resolution is to review all policies together: auto, home, umbrella, life. Insurance should work as a coordinated plan, not a collection of random bills. Resolution number 2: I will ask questions before renewal, not during panic mode. One of the most common phrases we hear is, my policy renews next week. At that point, options are limited. Florida's insurance market does not reward last minute decisions. Reviewing coverage 30 to 60 days before renewal gives you flexibility and control. I would say 30 to 45 days. Here's a true life example. A homeowner contacted us days before renewal after receiving a non renewal notice due to roof age. There was no time to get a roof certification or shop options. The result was higher deductibles and fewer carrier choices, all because the conversation happened too late. Preparation beats panic every time. Resolution number 3: I will actually understand my auto insurance. Auto insurance is one of the most misunderstood policies, yet it is one of the most commonly used. Many drivers only know the deductible and the monthly payment. They do not know what happens if they seriously injure someone. Florida has a high rate of uninsured and underinsured drivers. Bodily injury claims can follow you for years. Here's another example. We handled a claim where a driver caused an accident resulting in serious injuries. Their bodily injury limits were exhausted quickly. Without umbrella coverage, their wages and future income were exposed to garnishment. Auto insurance is not about fixing your car. It is about protecting your financial future. Resolution number 4. I will stop treating home insurance like a bank requirement. Home insurance is often viewed as something required by the mortgage company, not something homeowners actively manage. But the mortgage company is protecting their loan. Let me repeat that. The mortgage company is protecting their loan. You are protecting your life. So here's another example. After a storm, a homeowner discovered their hurricane deductible was a percentage, not a flat amount. The deductible was over $10,000. They were financially unprepared because they had never reviewed their declarations page. Understanding deductibles and coverage before storm season changes everything. Resolution number 5. I will take roof age seriously before it becomes a problem. Roof issues are one of the biggest stress points in Florida insurance. A roof does not need to be leaking to become an insurance problem. Age alone can impact eligibility. Here's another true example. A homeowner replaced their roof but never submitted documentation. At renewal, carriers still rated the roof as old. The fix was simple, but it wasn't addressed until it caused pricing and eligibility issues. Roof planning is insurance planning in Florida. Resolution number 6. I will stop automatically saying no to umbrella insurance. Umbrella insurance is often misunderstood. It is not just for wealthy people. It is for anyone who wants to protect income, assets, and future earnings. Here's a true example. A dog bite liability claim exceeded a homeowner's policy limit. The umbrella policy covered the excess and prevented financial loss. Without it, the outcome would have been very different. Umbrella insurance provides peace of mind at a relatively low cost. Resolution number 7. I will stop avoiding life insurance conversations. Life insurance is emotional, which is why people avoid it. But avoiding the conversation does not, let me repeat, it does not remove the risk. Here's another true example. We assisted a family after the sudden loss of a primary income earner. Life insurance allowed the surviving spouse to keep the home and avoid financial panic during an already emotional time. Life insurance is not about the losing someone, it's about protecting the people you love while they are alive. I was always told when I first got into insurance, especially doing life insurance, do you want your insurance agent to show up with a check or with chicken? Resolution number 8. I will update my policy when life changes. Insurance does not automatically update. New cars, renovations, home businesses, teen drivers all require changes. And here's another true example. A claim was delayed because a vehicle had been replaced months earlier, but never updated on the policy. The fix was simple, but the delay caused unnecessary stress. Insurance updates are routine maintenance, not optional tasks. Resolution number 9. I will prepare in calm moments, not emergencies. The worst time to understand insurance is after a car accident, after a storm, during a lawsuit. Preparation creates confidence. Every resolution we discuss today leads to the same goal: fewer surprises, better outcomes when life happens. While these resolutions make life easier, people often think insurance reviews create stress. In reality, they reduce it. Families who stay engaged experience smoother claims, better financial protection, faster recovery after losses, less panic during emergencies. Insurance is not about fear, it's about preparedness. If today's quick bite resonated, whether you are setting goals for the new year or realizing there are insurance conversations you've been putting off, now is a great time. Schedule a no obligation policy review. And you can do that right below is our website, it's isominsurancegroup.com. We can review how your auto, home, umbrella, and life insurance work together, what is driving your premiums, and how to position your coverage heading into 2026. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who lives in Florida. Drop a comment below with any insurance questions you would like for me to cover in future episodes. And don't forget, Quick Bite episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance professional regarding your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there, especially with it being New Year's Eve. Please, please be extra cautious, and Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2026. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.